Here, I want to discuss that how you can create content in a 1 month in 1 Sunday, 3 hours. So what you can do once you are clear about the topics. So how you will find the topics, I will tell you. Golden triangle of content creation. This is my golden triangle, which I feel this is important. Content, consistency, and the most important is delivery. So content creation is one part. Then the consistency is come from your habit. Procrastination should not be there. Priority should be there. And the delivery is how you speak. So how you deliver the things, how you present the content. Okay. And we will discuss on delivery again. So please take a snapshot of this thing. Content, consistency, and delivery. That makes the golden triangle of content creation on Instagram. And as far as content is concerned, content, I will tell you about the topics, how you can find the topics, how you can get an infinite number of topics you can get. Here, I want to discuss that how you can create content in a 1 month in 1 Sunday, 3 hours. So what you can do once you are clear about the topics. So how you will find the topics, I will tell you. So once you have clear about the topics, you can record all those things in 3 hours in 1 Sunday. Okay, it is reels, right? It's 90 seconds. You have to speak on 90 seconds, nothing more than that. So you can create 30 reels for that. Okay, and then if you are creating 30 reels, 30 into 90 is 270 seconds, and 270 seconds means how much minute it will take? Something around 40-48 minutes. Okay, so in an hour you can create those reels. If I give you additional 1 hour, in a 2 hours you can make those reels. Let's say you take another 1 hour, so 3 hours you can make 30 reels. Okay, now these 30 reels, once you make in the raw, you can give it to somebody to get edited. Okay, so once you understand that these things are important, you will invest time and money into it. See, this is a part and parcel of your brand making. Without investing, nothing will come. You can also edit by yourself also, but I don't want you to waste time on editing. Okay, yes, you should know the basic editing, which I will also tell you the tools. So if you are free enough, you can edit those videos. But there are two form of content when you making the content. So let me just make it here. There are two form of contents. One is your schedule. Schedule means you made it in a 1 day, 3 hours for a month, and then you schedule it and then you forward it. Second is you have ad hoc content. You will have ad hoc content. It cannot happen that full month only scheduled content is going on and something is happening in your life you are not putting on Instagram. So ad hoc content, whatever counts once a day, once in 2 days, 3 days, those are the ad hoc content which you shoot on your clinic and hospital and somewhere down the line, somewhere in your car and put on an Instagram profile. Okay, this you can edit yourself. Otherwise, all scheduled content should go to an editing professional. Give it like 10,000, 15,000. And the best way of doing it is to hire somebody in-house. If you outsource it to some other party, it becomes expensive. Okay, so you can also hire somebody with a basic, some young person. All people, young people do have this editing skills. Give them some 15,000-20,000 rupees and hire them in-house. Okay, rather than outsourcing, because 30 days content, if you outsource it, it becomes expensive, and you have to do it all day now. It is not that once in a while, it has to be regular. So hire a person, which is very, very important, which we already always tell. Have a dedicated resource for this. Schedule a content and ad hoc content. This is the way of doing it. If you do it in a systematic order, you will find a lot of content.